Hey riders, winter's here, and if you're planning to hit the road despite the freezing wind, you'll need the right gear to stay warm, safe, and comfortable. Today, I'm sharing 15 must-have motorcycle gadgets for winter riding. From heated gear to smart accessories, these tools will make your cold weather rides not just bearable, but genuinely enjoyable. USB grip heater for motorcycle. Cold handlebars can ruin your ride faster than a flat tire. The USB grip heater is the perfect fix for that. It easily wraps around your existing grips and plugs directly into your bike's USB port or battery system. Within minutes, your grips heat up evenly, keeping your palms warm no matter how cold it gets outside. Most models even come with adjustable heat settings, so you can control the warmth depending on the temperature. And the best part? You don't have to remove your existing grips. It's plug and play. So if you love riding at dawn or through snowy roads, this gadget will keep your hands comfortable and your control precise. Motorcycle helmet riding goggles glasses. Your eyes are one of the most vulnerable parts of your body when riding in cold weather. Wind, dust, fog, and bright sunlight can easily mess up your focus. That's where motorcycle riding goggles step in. They're designed with anti-fog, UV-resistant, and shatterproof lenses, perfect for visibility even when temperatures drop or visibility gets low. Some even have foam padding around the edges to block cold air from seeping in. So whether you're hitting mountain roads or cruising through fog, these goggles protect your vision while giving you that sleek rider look. Heated motorcycle gloves. Frozen fingers? Not anymore. Heated motorcycle gloves are a total game changer for winter riding. Powered by rechargeable lithium batteries, these gloves use carbon fiber or metal heating wires that evenly distribute heat around your hands and fingers. You'll usually get 6 to 8 hours of continuous warmth per charge, and many gloves come with adjustable heat levels. Plus, they're made with water-resistant materials and touchscreen-friendly fingertips, so you can still use your phone or GPS without freezing. Comfort, control, and safety, all in one pair of gloves. Heated vest. Keeping your core warm is the secret to enjoying long winter rides. A heated vest works by using thin, flexible heating elements embedded inside the fabric, powered by a rechargeable battery pack. It fits comfortably under your riding jacket and provides warmth right where you need it most, your chest, back, and shoulders. Many heated vests also offer temperature control settings and fast heating features. Imagine riding through icy winds and still feeling like you're wrapped in a warm blanket. That's what this vest does for you. Pinlock anti-fog visor insert. If your visor fogs up, your visibility drops instantly, and that's dangerous. A Pinlock anti-fog visor insert solves this by creating a sealed air layer between the visor and the insert, just like double-paned windows. This prevents moisture from condensing even in extreme cold or humidity. It's simple to install and compatible with most helmet brands. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever rode without it. No more wiping your visor mid-ride. Helmet breath deflector. Your breath is often the main reason your visor fogs up. A helmet breath deflector fits inside your helmet and directs your breath downward away from the visor. It's made of soft, flexible material and attaches easily with Velcro. This small gadget makes a big difference in keeping your vision clear, especially during those freezing morning commutes. Pair it with the Pinlock insert and you've got the perfect anti-fog combo. All-weather motorcycle jacket. An all-weather motorcycle jacket is one of the most essential investments you can make. Look for a jacket with a waterproof outer shell, windproof lining, and removable thermal layers. Some even come with built-in armor for shoulders, elbows, and back protection. It keeps you warm in winter, dry during rain, and ventilated when the weather changes. For winter riding, a jacket with reflective strips and adjustable closures is a huge bonus. Comfort meets safety, and you look like a pro doing it. Battery Tender Junior 12 volt. Cold weather drains your bike's battery faster than you think. The Battery Tender Junior is a smart charger that keeps your motorcycle battery fully charged and ready to go during long winter breaks. Just plug it in and it automatically switches to maintenance mode once the battery is full. No overcharging, no stress. It's compact, easy to use, and works with all 12-volt lead-acid and lithium batteries. Trust me, this little gadget saves you from those annoying dead battery mornings. Windproof balaclava. A windproof balaclava is your best defense against the icy air sneaking down your collar. Made from thermal fleece and windproof fabric, it covers your head, face, and neck completely. It fits snugly under your helmet without adding bulk and keeps your breath warm while preventing fog inside the helmet. Some even have moisture wicking technology to keep you dry on longer rides. Perfect for mountain touring, early morning commutes, or any ride where the temperature drops below comfort levels.
Heated motorcycle socks. Cold feet can turn any ride into misery. Heated motorcycle socks are powered by lightweight, rechargeable batteries that keep your toes and soles warm for hours. The heating elements are strategically placed to distribute warmth evenly without feeling bulky. Most pairs offer 3 to 4 heat settings, so you can choose how toasty you want your feet. They're breathable, washable, and a must-have for riders tackling those frosty winter roads.
Waterproof tail bag. Storage is key when you're layering up or carrying extra gear. A waterproof tail bag attaches securely to your rear seat and keeps your essentials safe from snow, rain, and dirt. It's made of durable, tear-resistant material and often includes reflective patches for nighttime visibility. Some even have quick-release straps and expandable compartments. Whether you're packing gloves, snacks, or tools, this bag keeps everything dry and accessible. Motorcycle dash cam. A motorcycle dash cam is more than just a cool accessory, it's a safety essential. It records your rides in high definition, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Many dash cams now feature dual lenses, front and rear, waterproof design, loop recording, and even GPS tracking. Plus, capturing your winter rides through scenic snowy routes is an added bonus. Just mount it once and let it handle the rest. It's your silent guardian on every ride. Windshield extension spoiler. At high speeds, cold air can feel like tiny knives hitting your chest. A windshield extension spoiler extends your bike's windscreen, redirecting airflow over your helmet and body. This reduces drag, noise, and wind chill, making long winter rides far more comfortable. It's adjustable, easy to install, and compatible with most motorcycles. You'll instantly feel the difference once you hit the highway. Rear wheel combo lift stand. Winter is the perfect time for bike maintenance, and the rear wheel combo lift stand makes it effortless. It lifts your motorcycle securely off the ground, allowing you to clean the chain, change the tire, or perform inspections with ease. It's sturdy, easy to use, and ensures your bike stays stable during maintenance or storage. No more awkward balancing acts or bending over awkwardly, just smooth, safe access to your rear wheel. Waterproof touchscreen phone mount. Finally, we have the waterproof touchscreen phone mount, a must-have for every modern rider. It keeps your phone secure and shielded from rain, snow, and dirt while allowing full touchscreen access. Perfect for navigation, music control, or emergency calls. It's easy to mount on your handlebar and can rotate 360 degrees so you get the perfect viewing angle every time. No more worrying about your phone slipping out of your pocket or getting soaked mid-ride. So there you have it, 15 must-have motorcycle gadgets for winter riding available on Amazon. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for all the gadgets mentioned.